Would you like to learn how to crochet the easiest chunky beanie ever? So let me show you how to do that. And yes, you can do that for any hat size that you need to make it. I have an easy reference table for that. And then you just need some simple materials to get started. So let me show you what you need. Here we go. All right, you're going to need some Mighty Stitch super bulky weight yarn. You can use other yarn too, but I use super bulky weight. You can actually even use normal bulky yarn or worsted weighted yarn. It doesn't matter which weight you're using because you're going to reference everything according to a measuring tape. I literally will tell you how to adjust it for any pattern, okay? So any size or any weight that you like, in my case, it's super bulky weight, some scissors, tapestry needle, a measuring tape is super, super important for this one, and I use a 9mm hook, and I'm also using a reference table that is listed on my website. The first link in the description shows you exactly that. This first thing we're going to make is a magic ring, like so. Wrap it around your fingers. Pull the yarn through like so, hold it and adjust it and put your ring finger in so that it's nice and tight. And now you need to determine which stitch you're going to use. I used a double crochet, but you can also use a single crochet or a half double crochet or even a triple crochet. Although when you use a triple crochet, there's a lot of gaps. So what are you going to do? The first ring here, the first round of stitches, the number of it depends on the stitch you're making it. So if you're using single crochet, add 7 single crochets. If you're doing half double crochet, add 9 to 10, depending on your tension, okay? If you're doing double crochet, which I'm about to do, use 12. That means either 7 single crochets, 9 to 10 half double crochets, or 12 double crochets. Pick one of them, okay? That's the first thing you're going to do. I'm going to show you how to do it with double crochet. So here we go. I'm going to add 12 double crochets to my ring. Once you're finished, pull your end of the yarn here and make a slip stitch, and then we're going to keep on going. So now we're going to do increases, okay? That's the same for any stitch you're using. You're going to place 2 double crochets or 2 half double crochets or 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around, okay? So for a double crochet, I like replacing the chain with an alternative turning chain. So that looks like this. It's like a stacked single crochet. And then I place another double crochet next to it. Both of them count as a double crochet. And then you do that all the way around. Okay, so once you finish that, you're going to keep on increasing. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is the increasing rounds that are a little bit different, okay? So again, you're going to start out with your very first stitch, which in my case is an alternative turning chain, same as a double crochet, right? So in the next stitch, you're going to place an increase, okay, like so. So that is the same true for a single crochet or half double crochet, right? So, and then the next one, you're going to place 1 single crochet. So here's the thing. So you're going to increase in further and further until you have the diameter that is listed in the reference table. So you're going to check out the reference table and see how much do you need to increase this circle, okay? Now, I will have listed in the written pattern how to increase further and further. But the idea behind it is that you have 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next round, it is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochets together. And you're repeating this all the way around, right? And then the next one, it would be 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochets. The same is true for half double crochets and double crochets. That's how you're increasing further and further, right? It doesn't matter what stitch it is, but that's the same pattern all the way around. You're going to do that until you have the diameter that is shown in the reference table according to the hat size you're making, okay? So I'm going to finish that round and then I'll show you what happens once you do reach that. So once you have your diameter that you need, so in my case, that is about 7, then I'm going to place the same stitch that I used the entire time as a normal stitch all the way around. So that means I'm going to place, in this case, 1 double crochet per stitch. Okay, so I'm just going to keep on going, 1 double crochet per stitch. So you're going to keep on going no matter which stitch you use, single crochet, half double crochet, it doesn't matter, right? You're going to keep on going now, no increases at all after you reach your diameter, and just crochet 1 stitch per stitch. Now that is going to turn this into this, and then it's going to look like this. So you're going to keep on going until you reached the height of the hat. So in my case, that is about roughly 7.5. Okay, so that is the height that I need, and that is referenced in the reference table. So once you finish your diameter, you stop increasing and just making single crochets, half double crochet, or in my case, double crochets. Just keep on going. And then you stop once you reach the height from the top to the bottom of the hat. That's it. It's all about measurements and a simple pattern, and really doesn't matter what stitch you're using. Just keep on going. In my case, this is where I'm stopping because it's also a little stretchy. So sometimes I make my hat so it's like 8 or 9 inches, but that's more when it doesn't stretch very much. This is really stretchy. So I'm going to stop at 7. I could make another row or round if I wanted to, and it's more slouchy. I wanted to fit it. I could add a pom-pom on top if I wanted to. I'm going to leave this as that because that's how my beanie is. There is no ribbing down here or anything. It's a very easy, chunky hat that anyone can make with any stitch they like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this pattern. Again, if you need the written pattern, there is a link down below in the description. Please like and comment and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye!